Over 130 kids in South Carolina just got quarantined because of exposure to, wait for it, measles. But wasn't measles eradicated from the US ages ago? Yes, but now it's back. This year, the US is seeing the highest number of new cases since the early 90s. Measles is a highly contagious disease that can be deadly for kids. Vaccination against it is safe and highly effective, but vaccination rates among kindergarten kids in the US have been falling. Those kids in quarantine in South Carolina, all unvaccinated. And vaccine skepticism in the US could affect, well, all of us, especially when it gets political. Here's how. At least 95% of the population must be vaccinated to prevent outbreaks of measles. Currently, all 50 states and Washington, D.C. have vaccine mandates for kindergartens for the measles and other usual shots. But exceptions for non-medical reasons, such as personal beliefs, are now at an all-time high. And now?
The Florida Department of Health, in partnership with the governor, is going to be working to end all vaccine mandates in Florida law. All of them. All of them.
It's not yet clear to what extent this will actually happen, but vaccine skepticism goes to the highest levels of government. This is the US Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He has shared misinformation about vaccines and questioned their safety, going against scientific research. Plus, he has defunded vaccine research and fired hundreds of workers at the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. The US has also scrapped its funding to an international vaccine alliance that bought vaccines for low and middle income countries. It used to provide 13% of its budget. So the US government is not only eroding trust in vaccines, paving the way for more outbreaks of measles and other preventable diseases, but making significant cuts that will affect people far beyond the US borders.